Hi, David Phelps here. One of the key tenets in my new book, Own Your Freedom, is that wealth is what you own, not what you do. Now let's think about that. We grow up in a society that's very focused on education, and I am not against education, but it's the right kind of education. We're taught in school that we want to go out and learn a career, a trade, a profession, to go into business or a practice of some kind where we are trading time for dollars. And perhaps the best return on that investment is based on the amount of education one has, and therefore your skill set has high expertise, and your trade for time is a relatively high dollar per hour. What I've learned over many, many years is that even the highest income earners, brain surgeons or very high level New York City attorneys, that they don't have any more freedom than someone that is maybe making $80,000, $150,000, $200,000 a year, whatever it might be. They don't have more freedom. Why? Because their income and therefore what their perceived wealth is based on what they do. There's no freedom in that. Real wealth, meaning you have the option to work. You can do what you want, when you want, where you want, with whom you want, on your basis, is based on assets. Assets that actually produce income. You have to set up the asset. You have to acquire the asset. You have to build the asset. You have to co-create the asset. But once you do, then you've got perpetual income. Yes, somebody has to manage it, and maybe you have a part of that management, but it can give you much more freedom. I've always loved real estate as an asset class, but businesses, real businesses where that business is not dependent upon you, can also be one of those assets. Multiple lines in the water, multiple streams of income is one of the keys to preserving and maintaining freedom today. I really encourage you to get a copy of this book. The big launch is on October 12th. You can go to ownyourfreedombook.com. That's ownyourfreedombook.com, where you can pre-order the book, and we've got numerous bonuses there for you as well. Interviews between myself and my co-author, Mr. Dan Kennedy. You can get 2 chapters of the book right away to download so you can start reading it. We've got many more there, so I hope you'll go to ownyourfreedombook.com, pre-order the book, and pass it along to other people. It's really the timing in our country right now for preserving one's autonomy has never been more important than it is today.